Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a quick natural makeup using all cruelty-free products, perfect for when you want to look super fresh but not overdone. So first I'm going to start with the concealer. Since I won't be using a heavy foundation, I want to cover up the spots that need covering. Then I'm going to use a CC cream and it has SPF 30. SPF is super important in protecting your skin throughout the day. And I'm just using a beauty blender sponge to really make everything blend together nicely and have it look really pretty and natural. I'm going to use a rice powder to set the CC cream and the concealer. I'm going to use a bronzer to warm up my face a little bit and just give it a little bit more definition and color. I'm going to use this 2-in-1 cheek and lip tint. It's a really pretty rosy color and I love it because you can use it for your cheeks and your lips. Then I will use a brow definer and also use it on my eyes as a little liner to define my eyes. I love using products that can do all sorts of things and I think can make it a lot easier. Speaking of that, I'll also be using my bronzer on my eye to give a base shadow. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of metallic eyeshadow on the tops of my eyes and just to give it that little shimmer. With the bronzer eyeshadow that I use, it'll really help it pop. And then just a little bit of mascara to tie the whole look together. I'm going to be using this blush lip liner color. It's the color that's closest to my lip shade, and then I'll just blend it out to make it look less obvious with just a hydrating lip balm that's in the color of coral, which is perfect for summer. So that's it guys, that's my quick and easy summer makeup look that anyone could recreate at home.